Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are going to make jambalaya. This is a very popular Cajun style dish. Every time I go to Cheesecake Factory, I always order jambalaya because it's so delicious. And after I know how to make it, I have to show you guys. It's super easy and delicious. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. 6 ounces of shrimp, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, half purple onion, half red pepper, half green pepper, half yellow pepper, 2 tablespoons of Cajun spice blend, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of Clam juice, 1 small tomato, 1 pound of Linguini pasta, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, a quarter tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. That's it. Okay, first gonna cut all the pepper into strip. We only need half of the pepper. Take away the seed and the white part inside. Slice into strip. Okay, and now we're gonna chop the parsley into small pieces. And now we are going to cut the chicken breast into 1-inch pieces, about this big. Put the chicken into a mixing bowl. Add the Cajun spice. Stir. Make sure each piece of chicken wrap with the Cajun spice. Okay. Now we are going to cook our pasta. Use a big pot, fill with 80% of water, and boil it. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. And then put our pasta linguini inside. Okay, while we're cooking the pasta, we are going to use a 3.6 quart of cast iron pan. Turn on the heat. Make sure the pasta is inside the water. Add the olive oil, 2 tablespoons. We are going to cook our chicken. Turn aside the chicken. About half done. And add the onion inside. Give it a stir. Also add the crushed garlic. Mix it. Check the pasta, stir again. And add the peppers. And shrimp. Add about 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of Cajun spice. Stir and mixing. And add the diced tomato inside. And add 1 cup of Clam juice. And 1 cup of chicken broth. Mix and stir. And now the pasta is almost ready. We turn off the heat of our pasta, and we are going to dry out the extra water and move the pasta inside our pan. The last step, I'm going to garnish with our parsley. And we can turn off the heat, and it's done. Thank you for watching. Let me know your score from 1 to 10 for this dish. 10 is the best in the comment below, as well as any feedback. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon. See you next time!